Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today's episode, what would otherwise be a guilty treat, today I'm going to show you how to make a strawberry keto souffle. I've never made one before, and usually most of these recipes that I show you in my channel, I've never made them before as a test run. So fingers crossed, today this very delicate come French classic dessert will work out for me. So if you're interested to see how I make this first time ever strawberry keto souffle, then let's get started. Well, the souffle's come out of the oven and this is what it looks like. It's still hot, so obviously I've got to place a towel underneath it for fear of burning my fingers. But I'm going to do the taste test, and I haven't done a taste test in such a long time, but here goes. It's light, it's fluffy, and it's just got the right amount of sweetness in this souffle. Naturally, you can make savoury souffles like a cheese and chive. You can put some bacon in it, you can put in some pastrami. You can pretty much dress up the souffle any which way you want, providing you follow the steps I've just showed you in today's video. It is unbelievably delicious, and I'm going to end up finishing this souffle once filming this video. So once again, I hope you enjoyed watching this very first attempt of making a keto strawberry souffle. It worked, it was a success, and there are 3 other souffles left which won't last long in this house, I can assure you. So on that note, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you click on the notification bell for all the upcoming videos. I'm going to go off now and finish off this souffle, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you again for watching, and bye for now.